Hello everyone. I am Dave Merc Adlawan from BSIT and S3A. So, ang topic natin ngayon is all about analytics. So, let's define first the analytics. It is the process of extracting meaningful information from data. Kasi lahat ng data is meaningless kapag walang analytics. Yan. It's a multifaceted discipline that involves a range of techniques and tools to gather, clean, analyze, and visualize data. So yun, maraming iba't ibang mga tools tulad ng mga ngayon ina-apply na nga yan ng machine learning or AI. The goal is to uncover hidden patterns, trends, and relationship within the data that can be used to inform better decision making, especially for the businesses. By applying analytical techniques, you can gain a deeper understanding of your customers' operations and market performance. This knowledge can be leveraged to optimize process, identify new opportunities, and solve problems. Yan. Let's proceed to the sa mga components of analytics. First is data capture. Ang data capture involves collecting raw data from various sources, yun, including sensors, databases, websites, IoT devices. Yan, sila yung mga nagagather ng data sa environment. Yan. Key aspects nito ay yung tools. Popular tools for data capture include Apache Kafka, Fluentd, and AWS Kinesis. Yan, mga ano yan, mga tools for ano. Then the technologies such as RESTful APIs, yan yung mga parang channel yan na diyan dumadaan yung data. Then web scraping, yung sa pagkukuha mo ng mga data within sa mga websites. Kumbaga nag-extract ka ng data and database replication. Then the importance of it is accurate data capture ensures the availability of quality data for analysis, leading to be better decision making. Next is data editing. Sa data editing naman, ang popular tools is so yun sa data editing naman yun, more on ano lang siya kasi nga 'di ba kapag may na-capture ka na data, kailangan mo siyang ma-extract into meaningful na meaningful information. Yun, data editing yun na yun, yung mga halimbawa, extract natin yung mga kung ano ba yung mga pino-forecast niya yung mga susunod na mangyayari. So, yun. Dahil yun sa data editing, ginugroup natin yung mga related data or kinakategorize natin. So next is data analysis. Data analysis involve examining, interpreting, and derive actionable insights from process data. Yun. Ayan na, ina-analyze mo na from data capture to editing, then data analysis. Yun. Next is data visualization. It is the graphical representation of data to facilitate understanding and decision making. It transforms complex data into intuitive visuals. Key aspects naman is yan include W, Power by Matplotlib. Then the technology is interactive dashboards, charts, graphs, yun ano na yung kung yung nakikita na talaga ng mga mata natin. Yan. Next is the platform technologies. Yan. Ano nga ba yung mga platform technologies? Yan. Support, analytics, data capture, editing, analysis, and visualization services. These platforms offer scalability, reliability, and performance. The key platform includes yan, cloud platforms, especially the AWS, Google Cloud Platform, yan mga sikat, mga kilala na palagi naririnig kapag sa mga cloud, and Microsoft Azure, and then offer cloud-based services for data analytics, storage, and processing. Next is big data platform. Yung nag-handle naman sila nung mga big data, yung mga hindi na talaga yun nga kaya in-interpret natin. The Hadoop, Spark, and Cassandra yan. Medyo malaki kasi yung kailangan na storage kapag sa big data. And data warehousing naman. Platforms like Snowflake and Amazon Redshift provides a scalable data warehousing solution for analytics. Next is for streaming platforms. Mga example niya is Apache Flink, Apache Storm, and Kafka Streams enable real-time data processing and analytics. Yan. Specialized tools for big data. Yan. Data ingestion. Mga category. Yan. Description. Move data from various sources into central repository. Kumbaga, 'di ba may mga may mga data capturing tayong tools. 'Yun. Ito yung data ingestion. Lahat ng nag-gather ng data na 'yon, ito yung ginagamit para mapunta sa isang database lang. Yan, example niyan is Apache Kafka Flume. Then data encoding, convert data into a format suitable for storage and processing. Yan, Apache Avro Parquet, the example. Then the data querying, ask specific questions and retrieve relevant results from your data. Yan, Apache Hive, then Presto. Yan, ano na yan, yung baga, halimbawa, kukunin mo lang yung category ng mga data na to. So, yun, data querying. Kumbaga, pinifilter out mo yung mga data. Then, the big data processing frameworks. Distribute big data processing tasks across multiple computers for efficiency. Yun, lalo na kapag multiple yung kailangan makakita ng data na yun. So, ito yun. Example niyan is Apache Hadoop, then Spark. So, yun lang for analytics.